Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to import a KMZ or KML file from Google Earth into Juniper's Uinta. So what I've done here is I've opened up a project, and I'm going to click on the plus button in the bottom right corner to open up my new record type menu. I'm going to click on import here in the bottom right and then create new, and then I'm going to go quick import. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow me to import a file. You can see here I have a Stormcaster rangecheck.kmz option selected. So I'm going to select open here, and what that's going to do, it's going to bring in my lines and points from that KMZ that I exported from Google Earth. And if you've seen my video on the Stormcaster range test, you'll know exactly what this is from. So I'll link to a video in the top right corner if you want to go check that out. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you import a KMZ or KML file from Google Earth, or any other program for that matter, into Juniper's Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.